Hello everybody, Robert Reed with Butler Street here for your weekly tip or trick. If you watched my video last week, you know I'm doing a little mini-series on overcoming objections. So for this week, it's for those recruiters out there, and the objection is, I only want to work remote. I think a lot of you are getting that objection, and remember, we don't want to just throw in the towel and give up or respond too quickly. So let's ask some great questions. So if you get the objection of, I only want to work remote, try out a couple of these questions. You can start by simply saying, yeah, that's great. Totally understand that you want to work remote. Remember, we're looking to acknowledge the objection first. And then follow up that with some questions. Start positive. Yeah, what do you love about working remote? Then you could ask, tell me a little bit about what does remote offer you that on-site does not? You could also ask, all right, well, let's just think about a scenario where an on-site opportunity was so attractive that you were willing to give up working remote and actually work on-site. What would that opportunity look like for you? Again, we're just coming up with questions to keep the conversation going. So here's my challenge to you. Use some of those questions or come up with your own. But your goal is to keep that conversation going so that hopefully you get to the point to where you can actually respond to that objection and you've earned it. Got to earn the right to respond to these objections. That's your weekly tip or trick. See you next week.